Um, have you ever wondered about the fashion faux pas of Hollywood's elite? Uh, in a recent interview with W Magazine, Nicole Kidman opened up about her biggest style train wreck, uh, an iconic red carpet look that she now finds amusing. As a dedicated follower of Hollywood fashion, I find uh, Tigman's reflections both enlightening and entertaining. Uh, Kidman's red carpet style has evolved over the years, but one thing remains constant: her impeccable taste. And from the chartreuse Dior gown she wore to the 1997 Oscars to the golden Galliano gown from the 2000 Oscars, Kidman has a knack for choosing timeless pieces. The latter, with its vintage mesh gloves adorned with gemstones, is a particular favorite of mine. What I find most fascinating about Kidman's fashion journey is her appreciation for the formality of men's fashion. She often draws inspiration from the elegance of suits and ties, incorporating them into her daily style. In fact, her very first major purchase was an Elias suit, which she regrets not keeping. As a woman of mixed heritage, Kidman's cultural sensitivity is commendable. She once attempted to honor the Native American community by wearing a headdress, but quickly realized her mistake. Uh, about This incident served as a valuable lesson in cultural sensitivity, and Kidman has since made it a point to educate herself about the customs of various cultures before paying tribute to them. That, um, Lastly, it's heartwarming to see Kidman planning on passing down her favorite looks to her daughters. Faith and Sunday, uh, I can only imagine the joy these pieces will bring them, and I hope they too appreciate the artistry and history behind each garment. Uh, in conclusion, even the most stylish celebrities have their missteps. Celebrities, but as Kidman's reflections show us, these train wrecks can often lead to valuable lessons and a greater appreciation for fashion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.